that's the Megami device series from Kotobukiya.
From Kotobukiya.
Yes.
I'm glad that it's a bit like blurry for from the people watching from there because we might get cancelled. And it is just 14 plus, right?
Yeah.
And you can't do it under 3 because you'll choke. So 3-year-olds are not allowed to do it, but 14 plus.
Yeah, recommended.
So tell us about the characters, or tell us about these girls. You want to have a quick unboxing of them? Have a look. Tell us some features.
Yeah.
Have a look at the beautiful box art, right?
So I noticed there's like more and more people start doing the anime figures. Like
Anime figures.
Yeah, recently. And they are starting from the 30-minute sisters, right? In our store. And so I would say the Kotobukiya's anime girls are actually it's like the one level up compares to the 30-minute sisters.
So these are the next level up.
Yes. No matter the quality of the like parts, like how the details are promoted, and also I would say the design is, I look if it's like more complicated. Yeah.
I have to show people this one because we always get asked why the mask. But look, even this lady here, this.
Yeah, just switch. Yeah. Yeah.
Look,
has a mask.
She has a mask on.
Yeah.
That's a fashion piece, and you love it.
Yeah.
Oh, she's got pink eyes.
I love it.
Lots of decals in there, right? Is
Yeah.
This a sticker kit?
So yeah, it comes with the decals because maybe some of the people doing the Kotobukiya's figure might do their own paint. Like
they might do their own paint on these.
Yeah, and after paint, they might apply the eye decals on the face, like again, when they paint all the skin tones on it.
I was just having a look at some of the box art here because it is bloody beautiful, isn't it?
I know, right? Yeah, that's why I think the design is like really beautiful, and yeah.
Have a look how long her hair is. That would take years to grow.
Very, very cute.
They look quite posable.
Yes. I think the range of movement is better than 30-minute sister. Yeah,
it's better than 30-minute sisters.
And why I bring these two together is because if you want the full armor version, you need to like attach one of the armor to another character, so that comes to
so you have to buy both of them.
Yeah, to get the maximum of of playability. Yeah.
Let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at the box art on this one before we jump in. Yeah?
Is that not safe for work?
What's that?
Not safe for work.
Of course it is. you told me that this is safe. So that's okay. And it says on the box 14 plus.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. I think most of the anime like mecha girls like wearing the like don't have too much clothes on it. It's because you might get your own clothes, like you handmade the clothes.
Really?
Yeah. I know some of the people doing the like little costumes.
This lady has absolutely nearly no clothes on.
Yeah. So you can put like you can design your own clothes on it. Yeah.
Fantastic. And you did a proper unboxing on both of these.
Yes.
An in-depth look.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, and they showed the decal sheet on this one as well.
Yeah. And yeah, I think the decal sheets is the biggest difference between the Kotobukiya's figures and the Bandai's, because Bandai normally sell their decal sheets like separately.
Separate, the water slide ones?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to open and have a quick look? You can just have a quick look at the color palette and stuff?
Yeah, of course.
You have a quick look and you know what you're talking about.
Yeah. So I will show you. If you like zoom in a little bit, I will show you the hyper details they did on the hairpiece. So not only the main, how to say, the main
hairpiece.
Yeah. They also did the very tiny little details on the little scratches, strokes.
So you can see like strands of hair individual, right?
Yes.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Here it is. Have a look at it.
Yeah.
That is really finely detailed hair.
I know, right?
And this one over, look at that.
Yes.
Very, very detailed.
Yes. It's like next level of details compared to the Serenity Sisters. So yeah, if you want to challenge yourself, go get the Kotobukiya ones. Yeah, and I really like this, like the color palette of these two kids is gives me a sense of summer. I know Australia now is like in winter, but I didn't expect they shape like these two kids arrive so fast. I thought it will be arrive in Christmas or something.
In Christmas, in our
Yeah,
summer.
yeah, in our summers. Yeah, so it's like kind of seasonal, sort of, color palette.
And what are the ladies' names?
They doesn't has a like an actual name. So
No.
this one is just Ninja, and this one is Archer.
Ninja and Archer.
Yeah.
I love it. All right, are you going to build one
Oh, I have another one
on the bench from Kotobukiya?
Yeah, from Kotobukiya. Yeah.
Is that the one that you're modifying?
No,
No.
not that one. And
You've still got to
And-
finish that one that you were modifying.
yes,
Yeah?
yes.
Oh, all right. That's enough of the girls. I did it and I didn't even get all immature.